So here we go. This is the that editor in today's newspaper.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Okay. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah. So a case of quiet diplomacy. Case of quiet diplomacy. That is the this. So basically, they're talking about we should solve the standoff between China and India in an amicable solution. Public debate would have hindered the resolution of the past standoff with China. That means if you bring too much of people into this, too much of media or the opposition, a public debate, then it will create more problem. It create more problem. Hello. Hello. Okay, so they're saying public debate if it's given. Okay, sorry, John. If the public debate, people are debating too much, then it will create more problems. So amicably, without anybody knowing it, we should be able to solve the things. Okay. Now here they are saying that certain words are important. Wrote on this, write on this. That Indian Army began partial disengagement. Partial disengagement. What do you mean by the word partial disengagement? Partial disengagement means, see, if the Indian, if this is LAC, Chinese are very close to the LAC, Indians are also very close. Disengagements, they are moving away from it. Okay, they will be moving away from it. That is known as disengagement. Partial means not completely, but partial disengagement is being done now. Okay. In the LAC, line of actual control, in the eastern Ladakh. Note down that, write down that. Note down that it is the eastern Ladakh. Okay. And this is the first official confirmation of the ongoing standoff along the LAC. Okay. The government has come under fire from opposition for its silence for a month. Particularly, Rahul Gandhi was saying that they have taken our territory. They have taken our territory? Okay. So this one, they may have not have taken the territory, but it is more emotional. So we have to solve it in a such a way that is not highly debated and people are not getting emotional on it. So that is what that's what this author is saying. Write down what are the areas where the problem is there. There are 5 areas where the problem is there. Okay, 5 areas where a problem is there. The most problematic or the resolution is not happening is this area. Okay, write down this Pangong Lake. The area called Pangong Lake. Pangong Lake. Okay. In the Pangong Lake, there is an uncertainty. That is, people are not able to find out where is the LAC, where the China should be standing, where India should be standing. That is not clear. Okay. So that is why in this issue, a lot of issues are coming. So try to have an atlas, trying to find out what is Pangong. So it's a big lake. It will be something similar to like this. It will be in this around this like this. Okay. So it is between India and China. So that one we are not able to resolve amicably. Okay. Then coming to the history of it. Okay, if you look at this one, all the government, either it is a UPA government. Who was the prime minister during UPA government? Manmohan Singh. Okay, so they also have done this quiet diplomacy. Underline the word quiet diplomacy means they'll talk to them each other. Okay, but the media will not be allowed. Okay, they will not give the information what is happening till the resolution is reached. Okay. Stand up lines and looking on both UPA government as well as India government has done this in a lot of places and it worked well also. Okay. Quiet diplomacy without the interference from the public or by the media. Okay, we can amicably solve the situation. Okay. Then comes 2013. They are giving an example. 2013. They are giving an example. Okay, what is the example is the place called right on this one, Depsang Plains. Depsang Plains is very near to that Pangong So. It's a plain area. Plain area. This is a lake. What we discussed earlier is a lake. Now I'm talking about plain area. Okay. Here also same problem. Okay. What is the problem? Right now, Chinese have pitched a tent on the Indian side of the LAC. What happened? The Chinese had pitched tent on the Indian side of the LAC. When it happened? It happened in 2013. It happened in 2013. Okay, 2013. That time, what happened? The UPA government was in power. Okay, Manmohan Singh was a government. Okay, a lot of criticism were there. Okay, but actually we resolved this issue. How did we resolve it? Right on this, privately conveyed to China. Privately conveyed to China that if the standoff is not ended, then upcoming prime minister's visit will be called off. Okay, how did we solve? We solved this, telling them very privately, not publicly, through the media, calling them and saying that, see, this standoff has to come to end. Otherwise, if your prime minister is coming to India, that will not be good. We will not be in a situation to receive your prime minister. So please send, please stop this. Okay, so it was resolved. Okay, but media did not came to know about this. It was resolved only. We know how it was resolved. It was not possible. It was not visible. What is the solution? Is the privately conveying the China that this is where we have to solve. Okay, not involving public or any kind of politician. Clear? And who is saying that? It was said by the Shiv Shankar Menon, who was an important person in terms of this. Okay, guys. So that comes to an end. Another example I'm giving. Manasla Joel Muhammad Shabash.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yeah, great.
At the starting, sir. Reading at the starting.
I didn't. You missed some starting. Starting, I'm saying. What I'm saying is, see, this is a China-India issue in the Ladakh and those regions. Okay. What happened? This author is saying that we should have a quiet diplomacy. Keep away media from it. Don't include media. Some directly talk to the Chinese authorities and resolve it. Okay, because if you become publicly you are announcing, then it will not solve. Okay. So two areas where the problem is there. One is Pangong Lake. It's the lake. Okay. There the problem is still remaining. You are not able to resolve. Then the author is saying that it was not only this government, UPA government as well as NDA government, both have resolved it through a quiet diplomacy. He is giving an example of 2013. In 2013, what happened? 2013, there was a this place, like a Depsang Plain. Depsang Plain, Chinese army comes and they lay down the tents and they are staying here. Okay, and then UPA government resolved it by telling them very privately that if the upcoming visit of your prime minister will be stopped if you do like this. Then it was solved. Okay. So like this, we are solving the issue from the China. Okay. Then NDA government also adopted this in 2014. Okay, when the 2014 came, okay, write down another example is a place called Chumar. Okay, note down this place. All this place you have to find out in this place. Chumar, C-H-U. Okay, C-H-U-M-A-R, Chumar. Okay, so we have seen three places. One is a Pangong So. Okay, second place is Depsang Plain. Okay, Depsang Plain. Third one is Chumar. Third one is Chumar. So these three places in 2014. Okay, the Chumar was the problem. Okay, in this what happened? Okay, the Chinese troop crossed the LAC. Right now, the Chinese troop crossed the LAC. At the time, the Chinese Prime Minister President was coming here. Okay, Mr. Jinping. Okay, so he was invited to India. He was coming. Okay, and during that process, Modi would have talked to him quietly, and this was resolved. Okay, that means the Chinese stopped the road building, and India deployed more troops than the China also. Right down in the 2014 in Chumar. Okay, when this was happening, the Chinese were into the Indian territory, and they started building roads. Like in response, what we did, we talked to the Prime Minister directly when he was in India. Then we also increased our troops 2,500 soldiers we sent more than the what they are having in the PLA. Okay, so that is why it is. So two things you have to understand. When I say quiet diplomacy, it is not surrendering. Okay, we are increasing our forces. At the same time, we are explaining them that this is not possible. Okay, you have to. So that is again quiet diplomacy. Quiet diplomacy along with build up of the army. That is how it worked in 2014. So two example I have given. One is in 2013. That was about the Depsang plain. In Chumar, it is about the 2014. Okay. Okay. Now, how this Chumar was dissolved, apart from the Chinese Prime Minister being here, right on, it was resolved by first by India followed a moratorium on patrolling up. Okay. India stopped patrolling the LAC so that there's a confidence is building. Okay. So right now, India, the government has publicly announced in 2000 that it was following a moratorium, copy that moratorium on patrolling up the Indian LAC. That means Indian troops are normally going and patrolling. They stopped. They did not go. In fact, they were withdrawing from the other side so that a trust is being built from the other side, and they are also withdrawing. Okay. So right now in 2014, apart from this, the Indian troops withdraw from patrolling. Okay, to ease the tensions. Okay, but if you tell the media publicly, yes, we are withdrawing from LAC, then Rahul Gandhi will jump. Okay, he will say you are selling India and all. He will run. Okay, then all the media will write against the government. Okay, but that is how it has to be done. So we have to withdraw our troops so that the confidence is coming from the other side. Okay, so that actually happened in 2014. Okay. Then another example, 2019, sorry, 2017, right now, 2017, Dok Halam issue. 2017, Dok Halam issue. Dok Halam is actually an area which is tri-junction. Okay. Tri-junction means you can do like this. Okay. See, we have a Nepal here. Then we have Indian territory called Sikkim. Okay, please copy down this as it is. Okay, Sikkim. Okay, then you have got Bhutan, and this is China. Okay, so Dok Halam is somewhere here. Okay, Dok Halam is somewhere here. Okay, okay, here. This is a tri-junction where India, Bhutan, and China meet. Okay, so what happened is they entered the Chinese territory. China entered the right on the situation. China entered the Bhutan's territory, and they started constructing roadways. Okay, then India entered Bhutan, and they took over the Chinese instruments, all those. Okay, they entered into the Bhutan and they stopped the China. Okay, okay, it was long lasting, around 72 days it was there. Okay, so 2017, I am talking about an issue called Dok Halam issue. Okay, this point is known as Dok Halam. Okay, Dok Halam, HLAM. Okay, Dok Halam. Okay. Now in this, what happened? Indian troops crossed over Bhutan to stop the Chinese road construction in its territory. Okay, right on. Indian troops crossed into the Bhutan to stop the Chinese road construction on territory of Bhutan. Okay, how it was resolved? Right now, it was resolved. Okay, it was resolved again. Like India was able to withdraw first. Okay, India was about to withdraw first. I'll tell you how it was resolved. Okay, it was later, it was solved actually, but later it emerged, copied on this. It would later emerge that the deal struck would involve India withdrawing first. India withdrawing first. Okay, so India withdrawing. Okay, then you also withdrawing. Then status quo is maintained. Write down this word status quo. Status quo. Both of you are able to see the article, right? Muhammad Shabazz, Joel.
Yes, sir. I can see.
Yeah, yeah. So if you're not visible, tell me. Okay. So what is the picture now? As of now, we have got. Okay. We'll go to the whiteboard. Yeah, you're right. You should write like this. Okay. Picture is like this. Okay. See both UPA government, okay, as well as the NDA government. Is it tell me? Tell me. Okay, I can send you, no problem. Just to send me, drop me a message in the WhatsApp because I lost my entire data. Your number, I not will. Just send me a message in WhatsApp. I'll share you now. 1 second here. One student want to join. She doesn't have a link. Covers link. So the picture now is like this. What is the author saying? That if there is a border issue there, then you should not make a hangama out of it. You should not publicly criticize China. If it is Pakistan, then it is okay. Okay. When talks about China and the Nepal, we should go for quiet diplomacy. So you should not do something like publicly criticizing them. They are publicly criticizing. Solution will not be reached. So we need a quiet diplomacy, and it was done both by the NDA as well as by the UPA government. There he is giving some examples. Okay. Certain areas where the issue happened is, one is a Pangong. So it is a lake. Okay. Then second one is Chumar. Okay, it is also kind of terrain. Okay, rough terrain you can say. Then Dipsang plain. Okay. Then we had in Dokhala. Understood, guys? So these are the areas which we had a past problem. Okay. In Pangong, so even now it is a problem. Even now, that means presently 2020, that we are having a problem. It is not resolved. It is going on. Okay. As far as Chumar is concerned, okay, in 2014, it was resolved by the Modi government. Okay. By having two approach. One is the Prime Minister of China was here. Okay, they are talking to him. Then what they are doing? They are withdrawing first. Not withdrawing, you can say. They put a moratorium on patrolling. Who? India. India stopped the patrolling. Okay. So that a confidence is built and on the other side, and they are also able to withdraw from the Chumar. Okay. Then in the Dipsang plain, it was Manmohan Singh government. There what happened? Okay. Here we withdrew the troops. Okay. No, sorry, not withdrawing troops. Here what we did? We said the Prime Minister visit will not be welcomed. Okay. Who's Prime Minister? Chinese Prime Minister coming to India will not be welcomed. Okay, so that is quite problem. This was conveyed to them privately, not through a media. Okay, very privately we conveyed them that this is going to happen. In Doklam, what happened? Doklam, it is a tri-junction. It is actually India enters the Bhutanese territory to protect the Bhutan, and in that what happens? Write down, India withdrew its troops first. Withdrew its troops first. Okay, then the Chinese also stopping the construction of roadways. Okay. And then status quo is mentioned. Status quo. The word is important. Status quo word is important. What is status quo? As it is. As it was earlier, they are maintaining the same status quo. Clear, guys? So till now what we have seen, this is what we have seen till now. Okay. The article talks about quiet diplomacy to be employed in terms of creating a resolution for the Chinese-India LAC problem. And this was quiet diplomacy adopted by the UP government as well as by the India government. So he is giving example. In 2013, who was the Prime Minister? Pilsena? You're saying, sir, certainly I'm not Prime Minister. Joy, you can't hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Able to hear. Okay. Yeah, carry on, madam.
Narendra Modi.
2013, huh?
13 means within last 5 year, no?
No, it was Manmohan Singh. Modi comes in 2014 only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, your video is not enabled. Okay. Manmohan Singh becomes the prime minister. So at that time, the Chinese are occupying this territory of India. Okay. At that time, what Manmohan is saying privately to the Chinese authorities, your prime minister coming to India will not be welcomed. Okay. So privately, that is also saying privately. So then they removed from here. Okay. That is one example. Second example is in 2014 when Modi was a prime minister. Okay. What they did, they occupied the Chumar position. That is also near Ladakh only. Okay. That time, two approach. One is the Chinese prime minister was here. So Modi is talking to him privately. Then India stopped the patrolling of this one. So we are saying that to bring the confidence in you. So I am going out. I am withdrawing my troops little bit away from the LAC. So you also withdraw. Understood? So that was approach happened in 2014. Then comes Dokhala, which is in 2017. Okay, did a little bit in this. Another country is also involved. Bhutan is also involved. In this, what happened? India withdrew the troops first. Okay, then only resolution was reached. Okay, what is Dokhalam issue? Muhammad Shabazz, can you tell me what is Dokhalam issue?
That is tri-junction.
Tell me.
That is tri-junction. China invaded Bhutan territory. So India intervened and
First, actually, what the problem first started is Chinese started entering into the Bhutan territory and started constructing roadways. Okay, right now, Dokhalam issue is first China started entering the Bhutanese territory and then they constructed roadways. Okay, to support the Bhutan, India enters the Bhutan territory. Okay, then what they do, they are occupying the position. Okay, so that they are stopping the Chinese from constructing roadways. Then it was 70 days. One of the very longest standoff happened 72 days. At the end of it, India was the first to withdraw its troops. Then Chinese also withdraw. Okay, but if you say openly that India is withdrawing from this, then media, when Rahul Gandhi and all, what they'll say, India is being sold by the Modi government and all, they will create scene out of it, which is not the solution. Okay, but we came to know about this kind of solution only later. Okay, only later we came to know. That is what is known as quiet diplomacy. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Clear. Yeah. Now let us go further into the editorial. Okay. Now, in a democracy, oppositions are there. Okay, they have their own responsibility. They have to criticize the government. It is not that they should not criticize. That's definitely okay. But they should not create problem in achieving a resolution. Okay. So, in the terms of in terms of government responsibility, you can say government is duty bound. Right on this, government is duty bound to inform the media as well as to the opposition about the resolution. At least once they have achieved, then they have to say this. Okay, that is resolution has been reached, and this is how we did it. Okay, they should not keep mum. They should not say, be silent completely. At least after resolution is completed, they have to say this. Okay, so that's how this the article is coming to an end. Similarly, one more article is there. Okay, we'll discuss that as well. These articles have been uploaded in our portal. Are you seeing this under the DED? Daily editorial discussion. These articles have been uploaded in the morning, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, sometime I upload. So you have a look out of it when you're coming in. It will be on today's date. Filsina Joel, Muhammad Shabazz. These editorials will be there in the DED. Okay. You can go through before coming. It will be very good for you to understand. Then your understanding capability will increase. Okay. So another article in the same topic is LAC. Okay, it's in right direction. Means now the resolution is going to come. It is in right direction. Okay, then it is not the first time that it is being occupied by the Chinese, and it is not going to be the last time. Right on this, LAC problem by China is not the first time. Okay, and it is not going to be the last time. Okay, often they'll come and they'll create like this problem. They'll keep on creating. Okay, both sides identified 5 locations to a conflict of western sector in Ladakh. A separate ongoing standoff right on Nakula. There's a new place called Nakula. In this also there is a standoff is going Nakula. Okay, it is different from Nathula is what my faith. Please check it. Okay, there's another place called Nathula. Okay, this is Nakula. Nakku. Tu, ta is there, here ku is there, Nakula. It is also in Sikkim. Okay. Here resolution is not received. We are not able to find out a solution in Sikkim. In the 5 places which is identified in the Ladakh, here Pangong So remains the problem. Pangong So, that is a lake. Till now we are not able to resolve. So 2 places where we are not able to find any kind of resolution is one is the Nakula, which is in Sikkim. The other one is in Pangong So, which is in Ladakh. Okay, clear. Okay, one more place is there. See, note down all these places. Okay, Chusal. Okay, Chusal is another place. So what happens is here they are having a discussion between the commanders of the ground position. Okay, they are having a discussion, or you can say engagement, dialogue, negotiation, whatever you call, between the lower rank officers, okay, like colonel, brigadier, they'll go and meet. Okay. Okay. Then this one I already talked about it. Okay. Now one recommendation they are saying, let us meet every once in 2 years, at least twice in 1 year, right? That means this kind of misunderstanding comes because we are not meeting. Better communication, right? Better communication is a better way to solve the issue. Better communication. In our family itself, this communication problem always there. Okay, you may be thinking in your mind something. Okay, then your friend will be thinking something else. When you sit across and talk, things are resolved. Okay, so they are saying that we should improve our communication. We should meet at least once or twice in a year. Okay, and exchange the views. That is one things coming out. Okay, and what is India's position? India wants nothing short of status quo. Okay, India wants what was existing. Okay, before 2020 January. Okay, we want that position. We will not allow. As if now what is happening? Chinese are inside the Indian territory. Okay, we want them to go back. Okay, so we want status quo. India wants status quo, means as it is. As it is. We don't want to alter any kind of changes there. We want as it is position. Okay. Now, why all this started? Why all this started is all this started because India started constructing roadways across the border, Indian side of the border. Right? The starting position of this is India started constructing infrastructure roadways in the Indian side of the LAC, which China is objecting. Okay. But we are saying that what we are doing is inside our territory, we'll do it. Okay, China is opposing it because China has already constructed the roadways and all. Roadways, railways, airways also they have constructed in their side of the LAC. But when India is trying to construct the roadways and roadways, at least they are opposing. So beginning is this: when India recently opened one border road, Rajnath Singh to a video conference opened a border road. From there on, Nepal and China are shouting like this. Because China is in a very better position. India has just now started only. Okay. So thereby, now what we want is a status quo. I told you. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, resolutions are going, but when you compare both one and 2 more editorials also have added in our DED. See, not in yours. This one. Okay. Philsina, you want any help? Like in the sense, we want to take separately. This is over. You can come. Otherwise, evening class also possible. Yeah. See this. Yeah. So this compare this 2 editorial. Okay. Otherwise, you can see one more editorial which has been added. Okay, that is also possible. Fine, guys. Yeah. Understood. Tell me, Joel, what are the summary of this entire 2 editorial? Almost same.
Sir, it's about the quiet diplomacy, which was started by, it was maintained by the UDA government, and now it's continued by the BJP. Now it all started when India started constructing a road in the Indian side of the LAC.
Yeah. So all the problem started now. Okay, when India started constructing the roadways. So that is it is not illegal. India's actually road is within the Indian territory. Road is within the Indian territory. Okay. Okay, that is sure. That China also know about it. Okay. But they are simply saying that that should not be constructed because already China has constructed. We are only catching up in this. Yeah. Then go ahead.
Now the problem exists in the like 5 areas, which is Bangkok. So like people are not able to find the Indian side of the LAC.
Yeah, this concerns there's a serious differences happening in the Pangong. So this is not able to resolve even now. That is a problem. The Doklam. So 3 things which we have resolved is this one. One is Doklam, Depsang Plain, and Chumar. In the Depsang Plain, it was in 2013 Manmohan Singh government. Okay, they quietly told Chinese that we will not welcome your Chinese Prime Minister when he is coming to India, or it will be called off. Okay, then they resolved it. Okay, likewise in Chumar's case, Modi talked to him directly when he was in India. Then India stopped the patrolling of the areas so that the confidence can be built over the Chinese authorities. Then Doklam issue 2017 also, India was the first to withdraw. So this kind of things will build confidence and status quo was maintained. Okay. Yeah, and at the same time, government should be duty bound to inform the media as well as the opposition whenever the resolution is reached. Clear? So it comes to the end of the editorial. Any doubt? Pilsner, you came late and you have some responsibility also, I think. Okay. Yeah, let me know later. You call me when you are free. We'll discuss that.
Sir, the standoff is currently happening in Nakola and
Nakula also, yes. Nakula also.
Nakola and Pangong.
And Pangong. In 2 places, Pangong so and Nakula, we are not able to find any resolutions.
Okay.
Yeah.